Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2013 GMC Terrain, and in this short video I will show you two fuses which you can check in case you are having problems with oxygen O2 sensors. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2010 all the way up to 2017. So in case you get your check engine light on and you connect the diagnostic tool, the scanner, and the code points towards the O2 sensors, and you also check live data which is showing the O2 sensor malfunction, before you start replacing the O2 sensors, make sure to check two fuses which I'm about to show you. Both oxygen sensor fuses will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is located right here. Now, to lift this cover, you will have two black clips, one here on the right side and one on the opposite side. So what you want to do, you want to press this clip together and then lift it straight up to unlock it. And you will do the same thing on the other side. So once you have removed the cover, on the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and right here at the bottom right corner you will have a fuse puller which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. Fuse number 41, it's located right here. It's a 15 amp fuse responsible for post catalytic converter O2 sensor. And just here next to it, fuse number 43, it's also 15 amp blue fuse, responsible for pre-catalytic converter O2 sensor. So one of them is upstream, other one is downstream. So if your check engine light is on, these are the two fuses you want to check. If they are good, then you can continue to replace the faulty O2 sensor. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.